Let's bring in Jan Kniffen, CEO at J Rogers Kniffen WWE. Jan, great to see you today. Okay, we were talking earlier about this tale of two stores. It sounds very, classic in our literature takeoff here. So you've got Target on one hand, you've got Macy's on the other hand. Which of these leads the decade in doing the right thing? Can Macy's turn it around?
Leads the decade? Boy, that's a long time. I don't have any investors that have a decade-long horizon. But let's look at the next couple of years. If Macy's doesn't cut the dividend, and they won't because they have good cash flow, can they really get significantly cheaper? I don't think so. They're paying a 10% dividend. It surprises me that a lot of people don't own it just for the dividend. I feel the same way about Kohl's. They have a 5% dividend. I don't think they can be down year over year. I can't imagine not holding them for the dividend. People on CNBC all day talked about we might only see 0 or 5% growth in the whole stock market next year. You'd love to have a dividend that was 5 or 10%. And then the same goes for Nordstrom's. So all three of those have been unfavored retailers over the past year. And they're all solid. They've all reinvested in online. They're all doing buy online, pick up in store, all the things you want to do, just like Walmart and Target are. And yet, of course, they're not performing at those levels, so they're not getting paid for it. But they've got great dividends. They're not going broke, and they're not going to cut the dividends. I'm always surprised when those kind of companies that are solid, strong companies paying big dividends can't seem to get a bid on the stock.
Jan, looking through your note of calls for 2020, I'm interested in what you say about grocery and online delivery of groceries. Where are we in that cycle, and what does it mean for the stocks next year?
Well, online grocery is only 2.5 to 3% of the total grocery market at the moment. It's got to get to the numbers like apparel is, 24, 25%, or like electronics at more than 50%. So it's going to have to start growing pretty fast at some point. And Walmart, Kroger, they're ready to push that button because Walmart's already pushing it pretty hard already. Drive-through, pickup, all the things they're doing. We are going to see huge growth in grocery penetration online this coming year and for the next 5 years in a row. That's going to put an enormous amount of pressure on the grocery sector, but it's also going to give the customers exactly what they want, and it's going to be great if you can do it. And we know Walmart can do it.